Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sarah and on my channel I do beauty related videos. For today's video I am doing my sister's makeup. Now this is one of my favorite toners. I am very sensitive around the eye, and with this toner I have like no problems. Next I'm gonna apply moisturizer. I'm using the Pond's moisturizer. And yeah, I think this one and also from Olay, those are my two favorite moisturizers. I haven't really ventured out from just those two. So yeah, I trust this one. And I basically just using this kind of like a primer. I'm not going to apply foundation on my sister's face. She doesn't really need it. Next up, I'm going to use my AOA liquid concealer. This is a really light shade and I'm just going to use it for like an eyeshadow primer. I told my sister to get her concealer because she has a concealer which is, you know, her shade, but she didn't want to. She was too lazy and I was not about to go look through her drawers, so I ended up just using mine. So now I'm going to be using the James Charles eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to be going into this kind of like purple, kind of fuchsia shade. It's like pink and purple, and I'm applying it in the outer corner of her eyes and just blending it out. I'm also using an AOA brush. So I started from the outer corner, but I am bringing it in just a little bit. Next thing I do is I'm gonna go ahead and pick up the white and just apply this underneath the brows, because sometimes my eyeshadow goes way up. I usually like leaving a little bit of space beneath the brow and the eyeshadow. It's just something that I favor. So then I go into kind of like this brick red shade and I apply this in the outer corner just to give a little bit more of an earthy tone, and also this would darken it up. So then I'm going to take the same concealer and I'm going to start making a crease. And then I'm gonna go ahead and apply white on that area, and I really like what I did here. I like adding the white and then, you know, the pop of colors in the outer area. I think it just complements it very well. I'm just adding again the colors in, just making sure it looks as bright as when I first used it. So now I'm taking the hot pink from the palette and I actually just added eye contact solution, or water solution, like eye solution I mean. You can use either or, but I placed it in the eyeshadow of the palette just like on the edge, and I use that to make eyeliners, and this works amazing. It's looking really thick, but it doesn't look as bad. Like my eyeliner used to look really wobbly, so I'm kind of happy that it's not looking as wobbly. Now I just have to worry about making it less thick and working on the wings, basically. That wink. Okay, so I'm using LA Girl Neon Lip Liner and it's in Pop, but I do use it in her waterline because I'm able to use it for my waterline, and I do use it for a lip liner as well. So now I'm just gonna go in with Flower Beauty, and I'm using this kind of like light pink shade. And Melanie did not know how to freaking open her lips. She kept opening and closing them. And she also got some of her chin, so I had to go and, like, you know, clean it up. So now I'm taking this Flower Beauty cream blush, which I really like this blush. Like, I like the color and everything, but it's so hard to blend out. Like, I was like, why is this not like blending out? it's just one of those products that is a little bit hard to blend out. But yeah, I love a bunch of blush. I know a lot of people don't like a lot of blush, but I love blush. That's why I was like, she has this pink thing going on. Let me just keep on going with it. And so I used a Hard Candy Glow blush. And so instead of using like highlight and blush, I used this to add a little bit of color, but also have that shimmer. Like, I used to not like blushes that have shimmer in it, but I like them now because you can literally add color and highlight. You know, it's just like one step instead of two steps. And that's basically it for the look. I did let Melanie curl her lashes and I helped her a little bit with the lashes, but that was pretty much it. So now we're using the 4th Ray Fresh AF, and this is just making sure that everything looks dewy and beautiful. And that is it. This is the final look. I think the eyeshadow looks actually very beautiful. I like that pop of just pink. It looks amazing. Please like, comment, share. Also hit that notification bell if you want more of tutorials, hauls, or anything like that. I do that on my channel. All right, bye guys.